Greetings from the future explorers. With the breakthrough 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome, get ready to experience the freedom of the broad road. Because of its innovative design for each journey, this RV is more than merely a vehicle. It's a statement about life. Every part of Chevrolet's trademark strength and flair is on show, from its sleek, contemporary design with aerodynamic characteristics meant to minimize wind and boost efficiency to its changeable LED headlights that dazzle at night. These RVs have a selection of robust chassis alternatives, including as the Chevrolet Express van base and the modified Silverado HD. A choice of strong and trustworthy engines power them. With its incredible power and towing capability, the well-known Ecotec 3 gasoline V8 engine provides a pleasurable ride on any terrain. In comparison, the Duramax Turbo-Diesel V6 engine combines great performance and fuel economy for moderately cost transportation. Your attention is instantly drawn to the dashboard's sleek and driver-focused design. All the important information is at your fingertips due to a big infotainment touchscreen that acts as the control center and a digital instrument panel that can be modified. You won't get lost owing to wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto compatibility, and built-in navigation. 4 lengthy flights, the ergonomic dashboard design with quality materials, brushed chrome accents, and soothing ambient lighting offers a modern and inviting cockpit. The 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome's main cabin hits the optimum combination between utility and design. When parked, the motorized slide-out provides the interior even more room and light. In addition to giving stunning views of your surroundings, wide windows with innovative curtains let in natural light. The ideal lounge room for entertaining or unwinding is provided with a luxurious leather sofa and movable captain's chairs. Comfort and ease of care are 2 advantages of alternatives to long-lasting luxury vinyl or hardwood flooring. After a day of exploring, the bedroom area is intended to be a quiet retreat. A decent mattress and a snug queen or king-size bed are necessary for a good night's sleep. There are side tables with independent reading lamps and USB charging connections on either side of the bed. The interior is maintained immaculate with built-in closets and large drawers that give plenty of area for keeping all of your needs. A tranquil mood is generated by soft lighting and windows with privacy curtains. The 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome's bathroom is evidence that lavish travel doesn't have to come at the price of comfort. The bathroom offers a huge walk-in shower with appropriate water pressure, a porcelain toilet, a contemporary sink with high-end faucets, and an appealing design. Convenience is supplied with a big mirror with built-in lighting and inventive toiletry storage. It feels sanitary and clean due of the superior, easily cleaned materials. Every camper's kitchen is its biggest appeal, and the 2026 Chevrolet camper is no exception. With its big solid surface countertop, 2-burner induction cooktop, convection oven/microwave, full-size refrigerator, and freezer, this kitchen is great for professional cooks. Even when cooking outside, meal preparation is made quick and fun with a stainless steel sink with a pull-out faucet and enough storage space in the cupboards and drawers.